Welcome to Jay's Techie Crown. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe. Come, let's get into the video. The next transformation which we are going to discuss here is a joiner transformation. So joiner transformation, as mentioned here, it is used to join two heterogeneous sources. So whenever you want to join a flat file with a table, when you want to join with your table, or when you want to join a table from SQL Server with a table from the Oracle, or whenever you join data from DB2 with a flat file with the Oracle database, then you will go ahead with the joiner transformation. So whenever you want to do this with the flat file with the Oracle, so when you want to combine with the heterogeneous sources, so nothing but flat file plus table, a table from SQL Server plus a table from Oracle, or a table from DB2 plus a flat file or a table from Oracle, then we have to use a joiner transformation. So what are the options available in a joiner transformation? When I say about joiner transformations, what are the types of joins available in a joiner? So normal join, or we can call this an inner join or EQ join, and then master outer join, which is nothing but a left join, and detail outer join is a right join, and full outer join. So if you're aware about the joins in SQL, then it is easy to understand over here. The same concept, whatever you can see in SQL Server or Oracle, the same concept is available in joiner transformation in Informatica. Let us see in detail about how joiner works and how to use all these types of joins in Informatica. So before we go into the joiner, I want to explain in detail about the SQL joiner, or let us see in detail about this kind of join. So normal join, when I talk about normal join, you would have known about the Venn diagram. So A intersection B, so whatever the things highlighted here in yellow is called a normal join or inner join. So whatever is common between these two tables, so if it is table A and table B, if it is table A and table B, I would say that whatever common A intersection B, only these records will be considered in case of a normal join. And similarly, in case of a master outer join, so this is a master outer join, which is nothing but when it is A and when it is B, we call it as a left outer join. So all the records from the table, left table, but only the common records between A and B will be included. So no records from master table will be included. And similarly, when you go to detail outer join, it is a right join. So the reverse of master outer join, you can see all the records from master table, only the common records between detail and master table will be pulled in. And full outer join is, it will bring all the records. So now you might get an idea about what this kind of joins. So this is how it works in both SQL as in also in Informatica. Let us go and see the data to understand much better. Let's go into SQL. So let's look into the table of department. I have taken two tables, departments and departments. So let's look into this department table. Now we can see 6 records, 10 to 40 with 4 and 5 department number as testing and transport. So this is a location, and let's go to the departments table here. So when you go to the departments table, it has 27 rows. You can see 27 rows starting from 10 and ending till 270. And you can also note that the common records between the department and departments table 10 to 40. You can see records 10 to 40, department number is common. And the departments table does not have 4 and 5. And the department table does not have records from 50 to 270. So this is the thing that you need to understand. It does not have records from 50 till 270, and this table does not have records 4 and 5, department number 4 and 5. Now let us do a simple join to understand it. So now I'm trying to do a join. You can see that, let me explain you first. This is a normal join, or we can call it as inner join. So in a normal join, I'm just trying to pull the department A table. Here the A table is departments table, so this is considered as the A table. From here I'm taking department ID, department name, and from B table, which is department table, I'm taking B dot department number and B dot location. So I'm joining table, how to do a join. So A dot department ID equal to B dot department number. So I'm joining using the common key column or the primary key column. So this is a normal join. So when you join, as mentioned in the pictures, when you do a normal join A intersection B, so the expected result is 10 to 40. Both the tables contains records from 10, 20, 30 and 40. Let us see what is the result over here. Yeah, now we can see it brings 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30 from both the tables with the location, all the informations. So now you can understand what is a normal join. Now let us see how to do a master join or a left outer join. Left join. When you do a left join, you have to use either plus in the right, or you can also go ahead with the other syntax of using left over here. So both the ways it's correct actually. So you can try any way, either use plus over here. Let us see the results. So when you use, it is from department table. So it takes, you can see it takes all records from department tables from here till 270. So from this table departments, it took all the records, and you can see that it does not contain the record 4 and 5. So you cannot see the record 4 and 5. You can see the common records 10 to 40 as well here, 10 to 40 from departments table, from this table department. So but here you cannot see any of the other records. So everything is empty. From the table you can see that it takes all the records from a detailed table, but only common records, but nothing is from the master table. You can also run using the same syntax using the left outer join. Yeah, see the same results. So either you can go ahead with the keyword, both contains 27 rows and the same results. Yeah, so I'm using the left outer join, or you can put the plus at the right side. When you add the plus symbol at the right end, then it is called a left join. When you add that plus symbol to the left side, then it becomes a right join or detail join. Now this is a detail join. So you know that now it has to bring only records from this table. See, now we can see 10 to 40 the common records from DEPT table, and it brings 4, 5. You can also see it brings 4 and 5 from this table. Yeah, it brings 4 and 5 from this table A intersection B, but no records from this table. If you look here, there is no records from other table. It is bringing us null. It is not bringing all the 27 rows. Now we can understand. Let us change here as right join. In Oracle we mention as right and left join. In Informatica we call it as master and detail outer join. See, it's the same result. Now let's go to the full outer join, last option. So it should bring all the records. I'm just adding the keyword full outer join. So it should bring all the records irrespective of everything. Now we can see 29 records. So previously table A has only 27 records and table B has 6 records. So combination, so 10 to 40 is common. So when 4 records is common, additional records is only 2 records. So the 2 records is being pulled in using the full outer join. So this is a join concept in SQL.